Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies starting from 18th till 24th of October. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's see now. So what is there for my Pisces? 18th till 24th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus. 18th till 24th of October 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so what's there for my Pisces, please? One more shuffle. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Six of Cups. Might be dealing with something with the past, childhood memories or somebody from the past, an ex, a communication which couldn't complete. So you are thinking about that communication to happen. Okay, so for some of you. Alright, so in the past we have Knight of Cups, the dreamer and ego. So this is... Okay, so this is more like a feeling where you were at a situation where it could be a sudden love affair, we would say, or a sudden, falling in love situation. You were really fast and you were really quick about making a decision. So there is a decision which was done by the heart and it was done really fast, okay? So because your heart wanted to make that decision, so that is why you took that decision. Although you took a leap of faith, we would say that, like, I do not want to think about anything else. I just want to enter into this thing now. So this was something which you always found. There was, for some of you, there was a situation because... Okay, so with the dreamer and the ego, so this is the Fool energy of the tarot and this is the devil. So this is more like a situation where you were involved or you got into something new which was not meant to be yours. You might feel at present, because in the present energies we have Six of Wands, Four of Wands and Five of Cups. You still somewhere, either you are manifesting something wrong. Okay, this might be not wrong, you're manifesting not in the perfect way. You might be manifesting something good, but at the same time you are thinking the bad things as well. So you might be dealing, although you want marriage, you want celebrations with this situation, with this person, you want happiness, because this is somebody, if you are dealing with the past, from the past, it could be past lives as well. Things are pretty well at present, I would say, but things are fine. Things are fine, but there's somebody who is thinking a lot. It could be somebody who is thinking so much negative about something. I don't know, but somebody out, like, if this is the love thing, so love situation, so out of you two, there's one person who is really thinking too much. In the coming future, we have Knight of Swords, Two of Swords and the Magician. Definitely, see, Magician, strong manifestation, good manifestation. Do not think too much, do not overanalyze too much about the situation, which not even, it's, you don't even know what is going to happen in the future. So stop procrastinating, stop it, okay? Because things will happen, although you would want them to happen or you wouldn't want them to happen, things will happen the way they have to happen, okay? So do not try to make things perfect or make things like, okay, nothing can happen and all that things, because just leave it to the universe, honestly speaking. So tell me more about the Six of Cups, please. Wow. Devil, Eight of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. So this is a moving on energy. So somebody is in a feeling of moving on from a relationship, from a situation which does not involve happiness anymore. Somebody do not want to be at the same state where there is no emotional fulfillment over there, because somebody has invested a lot and lots of energy in that situation now. uh, you know, either it can be you, it can be someone else, but yes, one person doesn't want to stay in that situation because it feels like a karmic relationship. It feels like there was attraction, there was so much of dependency in the relationship, but there was not maturity in the relationship, there was not emotional fulfillment in the situation. So that is why this is like moving away and coming back of the energies. Tell me more about the Knight of Cups in the past, please. Page of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Five of Swords. It was really negative. Somewhere it went negative. Somewhere it went like, you know, there are too many people involved in the situation. There was too much of ego. There was too much of tensions. You know, emotional unfulfillment. As I already told you, you always felt that there was a connect with this person, but somewhere people were not happy. People around you were like always trying to keep you away from each other. So you were basically in a situation in the past where you wanted to be in that situation, but people didn't want to for you to be in the same situation. Why? Who are these people? Why they do not want you to be happy? You were happy, okay? Tell me more about the ego energies, the devil energies in the past. Five of Wands, Seven of Wands, and Eight of Swords. So I feel that there was a lot of miscommunication which happened in the past for because of this person. There was like strong conflicts and arguments because of this person, and this really affected you, Pisces. But you stood up for yourself and you made it clear that it's fine, okay? You made the conversation clear, everything. You were the one who made things clear. Clarity was there only because of you. Tell me more about the Four of Wands in the present energies. What is with this Four of Wands? Queen of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Chariot. You want to celebrate, you want to cherish that little moments with the person or with the situation. You really want to be at present. I don't see you really thinking, although you really think about the future. This is what Pisces are best in, but you really want to be at present. You really want to be happy. You really want to go on with the lives, but still focusing on the negatives, that will not help you, Pisces, okay? So whatever is happening, it is happening for reasons, okay? So find the blessings, okay? Show gratitude to the blessings, to the things which are happening good for you. All right. Three of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. You are giving too much of efforts in the situation. Keep on giving that. Do not come back. Do not just feel that okay, the other person is not giving, or the things you are not getting valued enough in the situation. But you will be getting recognition because you are the one who is giving too much in the situation. It's a lot. Let's see your future energies, my dear Pisces. Knight of Swords. Please tell me more about the Knight of Swords. Why the Knight of Swords is here. Two of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, the Star. So this is like worth the wait. Your situation is worth the wait, my dear Pisces. So things are, it's a kind of reconciliation with the past person. If you were dealing with a past person and you were not in good terms with them, there was some kind of conflicts and arguments always going on. So it's the reconciliation time for you now. Sorry. It's a reconciliation time. I am really happy to see your energies. Wow, Pisces. Tell me more about the Two of Swords. Wow. Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Ten of Wands. This is like a pressure to you. This is like, oh my god, I really need to fight because universe has chosen you. You are the chosen one from the universe. Universe wants you to focus, to stop focusing on the negative and start focusing, to stop focusing on the negatives and start focusing on the positives. Start to manifest, start to thank the universe, start to give gratitude to the universe. Whatever is happening for good, because you are the one who always stand up for yourselves, for other people. You are never tired for anything, whatever you believe, because at the end you are the one who will be happy. Okay, so happiness is always there, but it's like the roads are pretty not fine for you, but the destination is beautiful. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.